The Battle of Khe Sanh 50 years ago was remembered at a workshop in the central province of Khe Sanh on July 9th.
Prior to general offensive and uprising in spring 1968, the U.S. imperialists built Road 9 through Khe Sanh in central Quảng province at a special strategic position. Thus, Khe Sanh gathered the largest number of U.S. soldiers and weaponries, aimed at stopping the assistance from the north to the south of Vietnam. During 170 days of fierce fighting at the place, the Vietnamese armed force and people had put out of actions 11,900 enemies and shot down 4,800 aircraft of different kinds. With the victory on July 9, 1968, Hương Hóa district in Quảng Trị province became the first district in the south to be liberated. Workshop participants said the direction and creativity of Vietnamese party played a crucial role in the victory.